Once a Go unit has been installed in a vehicle, you can fill out details about the installation through the form at install.geotab.com. The three required fields here are installer name, installer company, and device serial number. You can also have the odometer value and the name of the asset included, along with any other comments that may be relevant. Once an installation record has been put in, you can view it by going to the Vehicles and Assets page in your database. Here you will see this attention bar where you can click to review the installation. If there were any changes put in on the installation page, such as a different name for your asset, you can click these checkboxes to accept any of those changes that you'd like to see, or leave the boxes unchecked to ignore those proposed changes. Once everything looks good, click Accept Changes. Now you can go back to Vehicles and Assets, click the asset the device is in, and check out the Device Status and Installation Info section to review what that installation log looks like.